Are kidney beans the secret to better health? Kidney beans are more than just a staple in your favorite chili recipe. Rich in essential nutrients, they have been gaining attention for their potential health benefits. According to recent statistics, kidney beans are a rich source of protein and fiber, containing about 8 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber per 100 grams serving. They also offer significant amounts of vitamins and minerals, including iron, potassium, and folate. But are these beans truly the secret to better health? Kidney beans' health benefits. 1. Nutritional benefits. Kidney beans are an excellent source of protein, especially for those who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, and it's a vital part of every cell in our body. With around 8 grams of protein per 100 grams, kidney beans provide a substantial plant-based protein option. The fiber content in kidney beans is another standout feature. With 6 grams of fiber per 100 grams, they contribute to better digestion and can help prevent constipation. Fiber also helps in maintaining a healthy weight by making you feel full longer, which can reduce overeating. 2. Heart health. Kidney beans are known for their heart-healthy benefits. They contain soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, in the bloodstream. By reducing LDL cholesterol, kidney beans can help lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the potassium in kidney beans helps manage blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium in the diet. 3. Blood sugar control. For those managing diabetes or looking to prevent it, kidney beans can be a valuable addition to your diet. The complex carbohydrates and fiber in kidney beans help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose. This can prevent spikes in blood sugar and contribute to better overall glucose control. 4. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Kidney beans are a good source of several essential vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in iron, which is crucial for producing red blood cells and preventing anemia. The folate found in kidney beans supports cell division and can be beneficial for pregnant women. Additionally, the magnesium in kidney beans contributes to bone health and helps regulate muscle and nerve function. How to enjoy kidney beans. Incorporating kidney beans into your diet is easy and versatile. They can be added to salads, soups, stews, and even blended into dips like hummus. It's essential to cook kidney beans thoroughly, as raw or undercooked beans contain toxins that can cause digestive discomfort. Always soak dried kidney beans overnight and cook them properly before consumption. While kidney beans are not a magical cure-all, their impressive nutritional profile makes them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. They offer numerous health benefits, from supporting heart health and managing blood sugar levels to providing essential nutrients. Including kidney beans in your meals can be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more content.